Are you an aspiring entrepreneur with a dream of starting your own business but don't have a lot of capital to invest? Don't worry, there are plenty of low-cost business ideas that you can pursue to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. In this video, we'll explore 10 such ideas that you can get started with minimal investment and have the potential to grow into successful ventures. Buckle up and let's explore these exciting opportunities. Number 1. Dropshipping business. Imagine you are running your own online store, but instead of keeping the products you sell in stock and dealing with shipping them out, you have a team of super cool suppliers doing all the work for you. That's the magic of dropshipping. When a customer orders something from your store, you simply send the order details to these awesome suppliers and they, like superheroes, pack up the product and send it straight to customer's doorstep. Platforms like Shopify, Oberlo and AliExpress make the process so simple. No storing things or dealing with shipping drama. It's like running a store in your comfortable clothes. You're the boss of marketing and customer service, and the best part, you don't need a ton of cash to kick it off. So, gear up dropshipper, time to rock the online store scene. Number 2. Create online courses. The e-learning industry is booming and platforms like Udemy, Teachable and Skillshare are hungry for fresh, engaging content. Identify your expertise, be it graphic design, coding or even yoga, and create courses that provide real value. Promote your courses effectively on social media to attract students and build a successful online teaching business. Number 3. Sell handcrafted and homemade goods. Turn your passion into profit by selling your handcrafted and homemade goods. Whether it's jewelry, crafts or baked goodies, showcase your unique creations on an online store or participate in local craft fairs to connect with potential customers. Etsy, the online marketplace for handmade and vintage items, is a haven for creative entrepreneurs. Establish a strong online presence, highlight your unique selling proposition, and let your creativity shine through to attract buyers. Number 4. Language translation service. Do you speak more than one language? Awesome. Turn that skill into a side hustle by offering translation services. Translate documents, websites, or other content into different languages, ensuring accuracy and cultural sensitivity. Build a strong online portfolio, network with potential clients, and set competitive rates to establish yourself as a trusted language translation provider. Number 5. Pet sitting or pet walking service. Calling all animal lovers. Imagine getting paid to hang out with adorable furballs. Pet sitting or pet walking services are in high demand. Advertise your services locally, create a simple website or use platforms like Rover to connect with pet owners. Word of mouth is powerful in this business, so provide top-notch care and your client list will grow in no time. Number 6. Drone photographer or videographer. Drones have transformed the photography and videography landscape. To venture into this field, invest in a quality drone and if required, obtain necessary licenses. Offer your services for events, real estate, or even capturing breathtaking landscapes. Showcase your stunning aerial shots on social media and partner with local businesses to expand your clientele. Number 7. Professional reviewer. Love trying out new products or services? Turn your opinions into cash by becoming a professional reviewer. Create a blog or YouTube channel to share your thoughts on everything from gadgets to movies. As your audience grow, brands may approach you for sponsored reviews, turning your passion into a profit. For that, you have to build a reputable online presence, maintain objectivity, and provide valuable feedback to attract clients and establish yourself as a trusted reviewer. Number 8. Bookkeeping Services. Small businesses often struggle with bookkeeping, and this is where your expertise can shine. Provide accurate financial record keeping, manage accounts receivable and payable, and prepare financial statements. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Wave to streamline your services. Build a professional website and network within your local business community to find clients. Number 9. Plant business. The plant craze is real and you can capitalize on it. Start by researching popular and easy to care for plants. Cultivate a thriving plant business by selling indoor or outdoor plants, gardening supplies, or plant-related products. Create an Instagram-worthy online presence, attend local markets, and offer care tips to build a loyal customer base. Your business can flourish in this growing market. And number 10, meal prep services. The demand for convenient and healthy meals is skyrocketing. Plan a diverse menu considering different dietary preferences and restrictions, package them conveniently, and deliver them to clients' homes or workplaces. Market your services through social media, local advertising, and word-of-mouth recommendations to build a loyal customer base. Alright guys, there you have it. These 10 business ideas offer a mix of creativity, practicality, and profitability. Remember, success in business is a journey, not a sprint. Stay dedicated, continuously refine your approach, and enjoy the adventure of building your own successful enterprise. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.